Hi guys, here's a tutorial video showing how the mouse DP20 laser distance measure is connected to the Smart Life sketching app. So first of all, you just need to scan the QR code on the user manual to download the sketching app, which is called Smart Life. After downloading, you can see the Smart Life app icon appearing on the screen of the iPhone. And then long press the big text icon on the laser distance measure, like this. And if the Bluetooth connectivity icon appears without a cross, it means the Bluetooth connectivity successfully turns on. And if it appears with the cross, it means disconnection. So now it means it turns on. Please note that you should turn on the location services in the privacy and security setting on your smartphone, like this one. And then open the app and enter the setting and enter privacy setting, and please ensure the location is enabled so that the app allows access to nearby devices, like this one. Okay, that's it. Okay. Then turn on the Bluetooth on your iPhone, and then you just open the Smart Life app on your iPhone and click Add Device. Usually the app will automatically add the laser measure, and then you'll see the app is successfully connected to the laser measure. So when the app is successfully connected to the laser measure, there is a real-time data synchronization between the laser measure and the app, which means when you acquire measured data, it'll be automatically transferred to the app. So let me show you. So actually, after taking a couple of measurements, you can just click and open the menu of drawing images, like this one. And you can see there are actually two different options: hand-drawn plane and drawn pictures. If you pick hand-drawn plane like this one, you can just draw geometric graphics by drawing a couple of segments of different lengths, like this one. And then you can just enter the measured data onto the segments, like this one. You just tap the segment and enter the data. So that's it. Or you can just upload on-site photograph. And just draw segments that align with the measured dimensions. Then you can just enter the measured data onto the photograph. So this is how it works